Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best DJ headphones under $50 available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Oneodio wired DJ headphones. The sound quality of these headphones is nothing short of remarkable. The 50mm neodymium drivers provide a balanced and natural sound that is perfect for anyone who appreciates high-fidelity audio. Whether I'm mixing tracks or simply enjoying some music, the dynamics are spot on, and the bass is controlled without being overwhelming. Comfort is crucial for me, especially during long sessions in the studio or at gigs. The Oneodio headphones deliver exceptional comfort with their thick paddings on both the head strap and earmuffs. The protein leather covering adds a touch of luxury while also providing excellent noise isolation. The foldable design of these headphones is a game changer for someone constantly on the move. They adjust easily to fit any head size, and the ear cups rotate both left and right for single ear monitoring, a feature I find incredibly useful during live performances. One of the standout features is the dual-duty cable system. The detachable spring cable comes with both 3.5mm and 6.3mm plugs, making it versatile for different audio setups without needing an adapter. This flexibility has been particularly helpful when switching between my phone, PC, and professional audio equipment. At number 2 is the Maono MH601 Professional Studio Monitor Headphones. The Maono MH601 headphones are equipped with a 50mm large aperture driver that delivers exceptional sound clarity across a wide frequency range. The bass response is particularly noteworthy, providing deep and accurate tones that enhance the overall listening experience. One of the standout features of the Maono MH601 is its wide compatibility with various devices. It comes with a 3.5mm jack suitable for PCs, laptops, smartphones, tablets, and iPads. Additionally, it includes a 6.35mm adapter, making it perfect for use with mixers and other professional audio equipment. Comfort is crucial for long listening sessions, and the Maono MH601 excels in this area. The soft earmuffs and circumaural design provide excellent sound isolation while ensuring breathability. I found them comfortable to wear even during extended use, thanks to the lightweight headband made from durable PC plus ABS materials. The foldable design is a practical touch, making it easy to store or carry the headphones in a bag. For those who need to monitor audio with one ear while keeping an ear open to their surroundings, the Maono MH601 offers 90-degree swiveling ear cups for single-side monitoring. The adjustable headband allows you to find the perfect fit, enhancing comfort during use. At number 3 on our list is the Somic Pioneer DJ Disc Earphones. The first thing that struck me about the Pioneer DJ Disc Earphones was their design. Made from a combination of metal and plastic, they boast a sleek and durable build. The materials not only contribute to their stylish appearance but also ensure that they can withstand the rigors of regular use. One of the standout features of these earphones is their wireless capability. Equipped with Bluetooth version 5.3, they offer a stable connection with a maximum range of less than 10 meters. The true wireless communication allows me to move freely without being tethered to my device, which is a huge plus during live performances or while practicing my sets. Another feature I appreciate is their waterproof design. Whether I'm performing at an outdoor event or just caught in the rain, I can trust these earphones to withstand moisture without any issues. Charging these earphones is hassle-free thanks to the included charging case. Although specific battery life details aren't provided, I found them to be long-lasting enough for my needs. Moving up at number 4 is the HANADOMI C1 HI-FI headphones. The first thing that caught my attention was the sturdy construction of the head frame. Made from zinc alloy, it not only looks sleek but also feels incredibly durable. The metal texture adds a touch of sophistication, and I felt confident that these headphones could withstand regular use without any issues. Comfort is crucial for long listening sessions, and the HANADOMI C1 does not disappoint. The earmuffs are made from slow rebound sponge, which is both corrosion resistant and wear resistant. They felt soft against my skin and didn't cause any discomfort even after hours of use. The highlight of these headphones is undoubtedly the sound quality. Equipped with a 50mm beryllium film dynamic driver, they deliver a balanced audio experience with high resolution and minimal distortion. Whether I was listening to intricate electronic tracks or bass-heavy DJ mixes, the clarity and depth of sound were impressive. The headphones managed to capture every detail, making my listening sessions truly immersive. At number 5 is the Samson Superlux HD 660 closed dynamic stereo headphone. The first thing I noticed about the Superlux HD 660 is its closed-back, circumoral design. This design is crucial for sound isolation, allowing me to focus on the music without external distractions. The over-ear style not only enhances noise isolation, but also provides a comfortable fit that envelops my ears completely. Durability is a significant factor for me, especially when using headphones in challenging environments. The patented sturdy headband structure of the HD 660 ensures that it can withstand rigorous use without compromising on comfort. The sound profile of the HD 660 is truly impressive. It offers a depth of sound field that is ideal for live sound monitoring. Whether I'm in a studio setting or at a live event, the balanced, high-definition sound quality allows me to hear every detail with clarity. Comfort is another area where the HD 660 excels. The optimized mechanical pressure ensures that I can wear these headphones for long sessions without experiencing fatigue. This aspect is particularly important during lengthy studio sessions or live events where constant monitoring is required. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.